Hey, describe your Comic-Con experience in a word and then set up the film for us.
Sure. In a word?
Sure.
Wow. Yeah.
What about the film? What can we expect?
A word?
No, you can go in 10 length on that.
Right. Well, it's really close to the book, I think. Stephanie was on set all the time, which was awesome. I do feel like she's very much infused into this one. Not that she isn't in all of them. I was able to talk to her whenever I wanted. And, just having that was great for obvious reasons. I think people can expect everything to finally come to fruition, and it's a really satisfying experience. I mean, the beginning is actually the only time that I feel like the only moment of calm in the entire series. They're happy, and you really don't know what could possibly go wrong. And yeah, there you go.
And your favorite scene to shoot?
Wow, I don't know. I think everything in Brazil was fun. Because it was just light. Because Edward and Bella very rarely get a chance to be open and free and sort of laughing, and they're touching each other normally. They're not like shakingly, cringy.
Did you get to keep the wedding dress?
No.
Aww.